Okay. Davey. Hey, Dave. And Mackie, working hard. Shoveling with Daddy. Are you having fun?
It's actually got worse as the day went on. Ready, Mac?
Let me see how you guys do it.
That's how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Thursday night. Yeah!
Wow!
Good job, Mackie.
I'm the biggest.
What's up? Yeah, come on over here. It's actually
Nice
more
job,
than
Mac. Good working. Oh, you put the snow all the way down there.
Get rid of it, Mac.
Whoa!